Hi guys, hope you are all well. Welcome to Arm Candy. Look at this little beauty that we've got. This is a Burberry Loxley in size small and it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful, and this one is in excellent condition throughout. It is such a beauty. So I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. It is a crossbody or a shoulder, so it works either way. Here it is as on a shoulder, about 5'4" and a UK size 8, and I'll put it on as a crossbody for you. It just sits really nicely. It's so nice and light, and doesn't it look gorgeous? I love it. I really love it. So first of all, actually, I'll show you what it comes with because it's a treat. It comes with everything. So we've got the Burberry dust bag, the Burberry paper bag, and we also have a plethora of extras. So you've got a product tag here telling you about the check and the colours and all the details about the product. You've got a fabric tag there, a shopping tag, and then you've got the care card documents in this little envelope. Let's see if I can get it out. It's so tiny. There you go. So you've got all the care documents in there as well on the Burberry envelope. So it is the real deal. You have everything with this product. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I really like it. I think it is the perfect sized crossbody, and it just is, it's beautiful. So I better tell you about it rather than just carrying on gushing about it. So you've got the Burberry lettering here, and on the back, I love this. You've got one flat pocket there, and then you've got one zip pocket there. I think that flat pocket would be perfect for tickets if you're going out and you're going around places and you end up with loads of bits of paperwork and you need them all at different times. It's just easy to slip things in. You've got this little pocket here, but then you also have this large compartment in the middle. There you are. And then it's got a zipped pocket in there too. So there's a lot of storage in a small bag, and I think that's what I love. I want as much storage as possible and to have something as small as possible to carry. So I love that. As you can see in there, you've got the thread through strap, which is adjustable. Sorry, I think someone's doing some building work. Sorry if it's noisy. You've got the adjustable strap there as well. So as I said, this bag is in excellent condition throughout. There is nothing wrong with it. No marks, nothing, no signs of wear. It is just, it's beautiful. So yeah, if you love this Burberry and you need it in your life, we'll put the link to it in the description below. You click the link, it will take you straight to our website, and whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter. You will get 5% off your very first purchase at Arm Candy. You'll get a discount code sent to your email. Check the spam folder. If it's not there, just check the spam folder because it only works one per person. So check the spam folder, make sure you don't lose it, and you will get 5% off at the checkout. And as well, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, and hit the bell so you get alerts. Whenever there's a new product on the website, there's a new video on YouTube. So it's a good way to get an alert to see if something new has come on. And as well, we'll put the link to our Instagram in the description below too. That's a really good way to just keep up with what's happening. I mean, we're having some decorating work done on the front of our shop, so when that's all done, you'll get to see that. So it's a nice way of keeping in touch with our customers whilst we're closed as well. So hopefully we'll be able to see you all soon when we're allowed to open, but thank you very much for watching this video.